In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly find the perfect business name using Google and Shopify's free resources. Whether you're launching a new venture or rebranding an existing one, a compelling business name is key to standing out and capturing attention. Let's dive right in and explore the tools available to make this task as seamless as possible. First off, open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type in Business Name Generator into the search bar. If you've never used this search before, don't worry. Google will provide you with a wealth of options. What we're aiming for is to find a flexible tool that can spark creativity while being easy to use. Once your search results appear, locate the link for the free AI Business Name Generator. Go ahead and click on it. This tool is incredibly handy as it leverages the power of artificial intelligence to suggest names based on your input. Think of it as having a brainstorming partner available any time of the day. Upon clicking the link, you'll be directed to Shopify's dedicated business name generator page. Shopify not only offers a platform for building your online store, but also equips entrepreneurs with various tools to ease their journey. This name generator is part of their toolkit, ready to help you find a catchy, memorable business name. Now, once you're on Shopify's tool page, you'll want to make sure you're on the section labeled as Highlighted or Main Tool, which is often prominently featured. Use this section to enter any keywords that are relevant to your business or industry. These keywords could relate to the product you're offering, the emotions you want your brand to evoke, or even the values you stand for. This step is crucial, as these keywords will serve as the foundation for the name suggested to you. After you've inputted your keywords, the generator will work its magic and present you with a list of potential business names. Take your time to browse through these options. You may find one that stands out immediately, or certain names might inspire a new direction or modification. Remember, these suggestions are simply starting points. Feel free to tweak and tailor any name to better fit your brand vision. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've used Google and Shopify's free resources to generate a variety of business names tailored to your specifications. Naming your business is an important step toward building your brand identity, so take your time to choose a name that feels right. With just a few clicks, you now have powerful tools at your disposal to spark fresh ideas and guide you on your journey. I hope you found this tutorial comprehensive and helpful. Happy naming!